Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make gaming logo in Canva. So let's get started. Begin by signing into your Canva account and selecting logo as your design type. You can start with a template or input custom dimensions to design a logo from scratch. Explore various gaming themed templates to find one that resonates with your style. Personalize your gaming logo by adding your game's tag, team name, or any text you would like to add. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.